Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
520 multiply 3.
Answer is 1560.
Right. 275 multiply 6.
Answer is 1650.
Right. 530 multiply 8.
Answer is 4240.
Right. 720 multiply 7.
Answer is 5040.
Right. 425 multiply 2.
Answer is 850.
Right.